Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Now up first this evening, the Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has approved access to a combined $1.7 billion for Jamaica.
Now Jamaica can now draw down on $968 million as part of a 24-month arrangement with the IMF under the precautionary and liquidity line. We have the details in this report.
The IMF says the funds under the Precautionary and Liquidity Line (PLL) are expected to provide insurance risks from higher commodity prices, a global slowdown, tighter than envisaged global financial conditions, and new COVID-19 outbreaks. Commenting on the approval this afternoon, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says approval under the PPL is testament to the strength and resilience of the economy.
It's important to note that Jamaica has never before been able to qualify for an instrument like the PLL. The PLL is reserved for countries with strong economic fundamentals, for countries that have a track record of building institutions, and very importantly, a demonstrable commitment to implement sound economic policies into the future.
The finance minister says although Jamaica has $4 billion in gross reserves, the PLL provides an additional balance of payment buffer in the event of additional economic shocks. The funds under the Resilience and Sustainability Facility (RSF) will be used to strengthen physical and fiscal resilience to climate change, advance decarbonization of the economy, and manage transition risks. Funds under the RSF are being made available at an interest rate of 3.8%, with 20 years to repay and no principal repayment for the first 10 years.
So this facility helps Jamaica to reduce our refinancing risk and to create fiscal space as compared with the alternative of international capital market refinancing in a rising interest rate environment. Additionally, we expect that participation in the RSF will allow Jamaica to attract significant private sector climate investment as we implement policies conducive to climate financing.